everyone, today we have the unboxing of the Lenovo L15 mobile monitor. It's a 15.6 inch USB-C monitor, and this is my second portable monitor which I've got from Lenovo. The previous one was the 14T, the touch model. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unbox this and show you what this is all about. The back of the monitor gives you some descriptions around its optimal resolution, which is 1920 by 1080. It's 15.6. It uses 8 kilowatts per hour. It is not super energy efficient, but it is rated C. Manufactured in China, as all Lenovo products are. And what you can do with this is you can mirror or extend your laptop so long as it's got a USB-C output, and you can also power this using your mobile phone, or you can power it through your laptop, so that's a pretty good thing. So opening this up, the first thing you see is a nice felt kind of case. This seems to be like their standard approach for most of their portable monitors. So this is nice. I think this is really good for you to put into your backpack as you carry it around. And then below that we have the actual monitor itself. Now underneath here we have the cables, some clips, guarantee material, instructions, warranty, and that's really it. So the monitor is fairly simple. It's the same form factor as the 14T. Yeah, so it's pretty thin on all sides. It's got the USB-C over here, and it's got the different buttons. It's got the USB-C here, and it's got the different buttons. Again, USB-C and a Kensington lock and power button as well. It's got a VESA mount, so you can mount it through 2 screws. And what you can do with this is this flips out. So when this flips out, this becomes your stand. It's got a nice silver, matte silver grayish kind of finish on the back, and in the front, as you can see, it stands up quite well, and you can sort of move it down multiple levels. So it's good. It does hold its position in terms of the angles. It doesn't tip over. See this better? It doesn't tip over at all. So it's definitely got a very nice construction feel to it. If you need a bit more elevation, you can pull this out, and that will then help you elevate the monitor up.